thank you so much for tuning in and for watching this video. If you want to see how I did my hair like this, and then keep on watching, don't forget to hit the like, comment, and to also subscribe. Alright, thank you guys. Bye. Hi everyone. So my mic was not working. I thought I was recording with the mic, however, looks like it wasn't working. So we're gonna do a nice little traditional voiceover. So this is me explaining to you that my hair is 2 weeks old from a silk press, and this is the last day of me wearing it in a low bun. Excited for tomorrow to be the wash day. So the products that I will be using will not be a lot because there's a product in my hair already, and I will be using this Mizani Miracle Milk. And the next product that I will be using is an edge control, and is the Mielle Rosemary Edge Control. Absolutely love this. Second time using it, and it's done amazing things for me. And the final products that I will be using is the L'Oreal Elnet hairspray, just to spray down any flyaways. So we are now going to spray the leave-in spray. I'm going to focus on my edges and the sides of my hair, and also the back sides of my hair. After spraying the leave-in spray, I'm just going to brush the hair in place and put it in a loose, low ponytail, just to give me structure and to also help me identify the areas that need edge control and more hairspray. Okay, now I'm going to use some edge control on the areas that need it, and I'm going to use this rat tail comb, and I'm going to use the end of the rat tail comb to pick up the product and to put it in the places that I need it all throughout my hairline. Okay, so now I'm just going to use this edge brush to slick down my edges. I'm going to slick them down straight following the pattern where my hair is resting. I'm still yet to learn how to do baby hairs, so bear with me. Okay, next I'm going to spray some hairspray on the flyaways. So starting off at the top of the head, going down to the back and to the sides, just to make sure they are not flyaways. And then this is an old trick. I'm just going to spray some hairspray all over my hairbrush and then just take the hair down from the loose ponytail and then just slick it down with the hairbrush again, the hairbrush with the hairspray, just to make sure everything is nice and smooth. Now we're gonna tie it back into a lovely low bun with low tension.